Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive weaving collections only for you. So let me display. Very nice one, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, magenta pink shade, pure handloom one, golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful heavy fully hand weaving jamdani design. This one is pure resham silk, transparent. This one is fine golden zari border, and this one is beautiful colorful hand weaving jamdani design, fully hand weaving jamdani, very exclusive one, soft lightweight comfortable pure resham silk with jamdani. This one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern. This one is full base part, bright magenta pink shade, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari stripes pallu. This one is fine stripes design pallu, and this one is full base part, beautiful heavy hand weaving jamdani design, very beautiful, based for your party looks, outstanding party looks. And I will suggest this silk material with a small weaving buta work, golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. This one also very soft sober looks, pink base, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk with beautiful traditional jamdani weaving buta and pallu, contrast cut border. This one is full base part, beautiful one, pink shade, and this one is contrast color ikat pattern border with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta. Traditional weaving buta design, full base part, soft lightweight comfortable khadi cotton silk. This one is full base part, very smart one, smart trendy looks, beautiful sober color. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful heavy hand weaving jamdani design, very nice one, beautiful weaving work, soft lightweight comfortable pink base, light pink baby pink base with ikat border, contrast color, contrast pallu with hand weaving work, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari weaving buta work, checks with golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful smart looks. And this one also based for your party wear, outstanding looks, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton and silk with beautiful Banarasi weaving work, based for your party wear. This one is beautiful color purple shade, and this one is border portions contrast color with fully Banarasi weaving design border, and this one is full base part khadi cotton silk with beautiful hand weaving Banarasi buta jamdani Banarasi weaving design buta. This one is full base part, soft lightweight comfortable beautiful purple shade, and full base part is weaving design, beautiful hand weaving Banarasi buta. And this one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one. This one is golden zari weaving Banarasi design, very exclusive one, khadi cotton silk, premium quality pure handloom with contrast border and beautiful hand weaving Banarasi work, very exclusive one, bright beautiful party looks, soft lightweight summer friendly also. And I will suggest this golden silk material, self weaving golden base, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful exclusive looks. Very beautiful bright one, black shade, premium quality pure handloom natural fabric, lien by lien with Banarasi weaving work, lien Banarasi, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, black base with contrast color threaded with golden zari weaving buta design, full base part natural fabric, lien by lien, and this one is border portions contrast color with fine fully hand weaving Banarasi design border. This one is fully hand weaving design, and this one is full base part natural fabric, lien by lien with beautiful weaving buta design, very exclusive one, bright black shade with Banarasi work. This one is full base part, beautiful weaving hand weaving border design, and this one is running blouse piece, bright color pink shade, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with heavy golden zari fine with fully hand weaving fine design Banarasi work. Very bright, beautiful, exclusive look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, natural fabric, lane by lane with Banarasi weaving work, fully hand weaving Banarasi work. And I will suggest this silk material, brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright beautiful look. This one is beautiful fine weaving border, fully hand weaving border, Banarasi border, so exclusive one. This for your party wear also. Very elegant, beautiful color combinations, white with red, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton silk with traditional jamdani work, contrast ikat border, very exclusive one, beautiful, elegant looks. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton silk. This one is contrast border, ikat border with beautiful traditional weaving jamdani buta. This one is full base part, beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is beautiful contrast color weaving design jamdani buta, contrast color ikat border also. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, white base, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with fine weaving design pallu. This one is beautiful fine weaving design pallu, very nice one, highlighted stripes line with beautiful weaving pattern, fully hand weaving design, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, exclusive but bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, exclusive composition work. Base is pure handloom hand spun matka with resham cell sequence stripes with beautiful tying process, very nice one, same material today I have draped. This one is full base part, beautiful work. First of all, base is pure handloom hand spun matka, and this one is resham stripes full base part, and this portion is tying sivori print, very exclusive one. And this one is resham pallu, tying sivori with beautiful silver zari weaving jamdani design buta, very exclusive one. This one is resham cell sequin design with jamdani buta, fully silver zari weaving jamdani work, very exclusive one. This one is very soft, lightweight, comfortable also. This one is full base part, beautiful tying sivori print, resham stripes. This one is resham with cell sequin stripes design, beautiful color, same material today I have draped, different color. This one is full base part, very exclusive, smart, beautiful, bright looks. Hand spun matka, resham stripes, sivori tying print, and jamdani buta, very exclusive combinations. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy, smart party looks. This one also very nice one, beautiful color with beautiful work, linen Banarasi weaving design, fully hand weaving Banarasi work, contrast border, and base is natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is beautiful color, bright maroon red shade, and this one is silver zari Banarasi weaving work, contrast color with silver zari Banarasi weaving design, and this one is full base part, silver zari weaving buta design, Banarasi weaving buta design, and this one is full base part, bright beautiful color, linen Banarasi, natural fabric linen Banarasi. This one is running blouse piece, this one is beautiful silver zari weaving Banarasi border, and this one is full base part, bright maroon red shade, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully silver zari heavy weaving Banarasi weaving design pallu for your bright, beautiful, exclusive, trendy party dress, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving stripes pattern, heavy weaving Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks, very gorgeous also. Also very beautiful color, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton silk with Banarasi weaving design, very nice one, bright look. This one is full base part, very soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is beautiful weaving design border, fully Banarasi weaving border, golden zari, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, very bright color, blue shade with beautiful weaving buta design, and this one is border design, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton silk with beautiful Banarasi weaving design, khadi cotton silk Banarasi, and this one is running blouse piece, contrast color, golden shade with stripes design, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy Banarasi weaving design, golden zari weaving heavy design, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving pattern and highlighted contrast color threaded weaving buta, very exclusive, bright, beautiful look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, bright blue shade, and I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright, beautiful looks, very nice one, gorgeous looks also. This one also very elegant but smart, trendy, bright looks, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, and full base part is beautiful sivori contrast, sivori print, contrast border, and resham pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. This one is full base part, beautiful one, pure handloom, hand spun matka with sivori dye, and this one is contrast border, very soft, comfortable, feather like feel, soft, and this one is resham pallu, beautiful pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving, silver zari weaving jamdani design, pure resham silk with jamdani work, very exclusive one, and this one is beautiful beads pom pom design, very nice one, and this one is full base part, beautiful color combinations, yellow with green, shimmery, contrast border, very smart, bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, and I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart, trendy looks. This one also beautiful one, beautiful combined work, poitani with Banarasi weaving border, beautiful color, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, and this one is contrast color Banarasi weaving border, and pallu is poitani. This is a fusion of Banarasi work with poitani design. This one is contrast border with beautiful hand weaving Banarasi border. This one is beautiful work, contrast color, base is bottle green with beautiful hand weaving buta design, pure handloom, hand spun matka, contrast Banarasi weaving, fully hand weaving Banarasi border, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving poitani design, very exclusive combination, composition of Banarasi and poitani work, very exclusive one, base is pure handloom, hand spun matka with fine weaving design, jamdani buta. This one is full base part, beautiful bright color, nice one, and this one is border, Banarasi weaving border, this one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful base, matka base, pure handloom, hand spun matka, and this one is pallu, poitani, fully hand weaving poitani pallu. This one is beautiful poitani design, and I will suggest this silk material with Chanderi silk material, checks with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright, beautiful, smart looks. Very nice one. This one also very bright color, blue shade, royal blue shade with beautiful jamdani design, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk material, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving polka design, multicolor weaving polka design, and this one is full base part, royal blue shade with multicolor weaving polka design, golden zari border, soft, lightweight, comfortable cotton silk material, and this one is golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving polka design, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani design, highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful jamdani work, very exclusive one, bright, beautiful looks, smart also, soft, lightweight, summer friendly. This one is full base part, full base part is beautiful multicolor weaving polka design. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, golden zari border, and pallu is jamdani pallu, fully hand weaving jamdani design. And I will suggest this silk material with golden zari checks with weaving buta or contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful, smart, trendy looks. Very bright also. Very beautiful color combinations, very nice one. Premium quality pure handloom handspun matka with jamdani work by Gicha silk, very exclusive combination. This one is full base part, bright color also. This one is full base part. This one is border portions jamdani work with beautiful jamdani design by Gicha silk. This one is beautiful Buddha design, full base part with Gicha silk weaving design, jamdani weaving design, very bright color, pure handloom handspun matka with beautiful jamdani work, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, resham pallu with beautiful jamdani design by Gicha silk, pure Gicha silk jamdani design, very exclusive one. This one is beautiful border by Gicha silk jamdani work, and this one is resham pallu with beautiful design, very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving polka weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright, smart, trendy looks. This one also very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton with sequin stripes design, base part contrast pallu with beautiful hand weaving design. This one is full base part, very soft comfortable one. This one is full base part, beautiful color, golden zari border, and full base is bright purple shade with sequin stripes design. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very colorful one, bright black shade with beautiful floral jamdani buta, very nice one, smart, bright, beautiful looks. Soft, lightweight silk cotton material, pure handloom silk cotton, sequin stripes design, golden zari border. This one is full base part is sequin design, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton with golden zari border, very bright one. And I will suggest this silk material with golden zari weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, beautiful looks. This one also very nice one, beautiful color, bright yellow shade with golden zari weaving jamdani work, golden zari border, very smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful golden zari weaving design, very exclusive, smart one, yellow with golden zari work. And this one is pallu part, pallu also golden zari stripes with beautiful weaving design. This one is beautiful golden zari weaving work, very nice combinations. This one is half portion, this one is half portion, fully heavy golden zari jamdani work, and half portion is golden zari fine stripes design, splits part. This one is splits, this one is base part, upper part with achal pallu contrast weaving design, golden zari weaving design, jamdani work. And this one is running blouse piece, very exclusive one. This one is pleats stripes, and I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright, smart looks. Very beautiful one, bright royal blue shade, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful weaving design, golden zari border, bright color, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, royal blue shade, golden zari border, and this one is beautiful golden zari heavy weaving design jamdani work, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is pallu part, pallu in this beautiful golden zari fine stripes, and this one is upper portions beautiful golden zari jamdani work, and this one is half part, half portion is golden zari fine stripes design. This one is pleats, this one is pleats part, this one is upper portion jamdani work, this one is running blouse piece, very exclusive, bright, beautiful, smart looks with fine golden zari border. And I will suggest this bouquet work, synthetic material, heavy bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. And you know, today I have taped a beautiful saree, beautiful color combinations also. Base is pure handloom handspun matka, and this one is a stripes pattern, resham silk stripes with silk sequin design, very nice one. Full base part is stripes design, resham stripes, and this one is, you know, a beautiful one, tying dine shivari. Half portion is tying dine shivari, and this one is resham pallu, pure resham silk pallu with beautiful hand weaving, silver zari weaving, jamdani buta, silk sequin design, stripes design with shibori type. Very exclusive combinations, very nice one, soft feather like soft, very exclusive one. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.